Did you know that your Samsung Galaxy device is packed with tons of cool features that could absolutely change the way that you use your device? Well, today I'm about to show you 10 cool Samsung Galaxy features that you probably didn't even know about. And the last feature on this list is my absolute favorite. Object Eraser. This is a crazy cool feature that you probably haven't noticed in your gallery just yet, but you're able to circle and erase anything in your picture. I mean, have you ever taken a shot where it's just the best photo you've ever taken, but there's just this small object that you don't want in frame? Simply head over to your photo and select the edit icon. Then select the 4 circles in the bottom left corner and look for Object Eraser. And all you have to do is circle the object you don't want in frame. And then all you're gonna do is hit erase. And voila! After its amazing magic, it literally removes anything that you've circled in frame and adds the necessary parts to it. How cool is that feature right there? But not as cool as the next feature I'm about to show you. Get ready to add some personal flair to your text messages by using this awesome feature, creating your own stickers. So with this feature, you're able to hold down a picture of yourself and basically turn it into a sticker. Then when this pop-up comes up, all you do is hit Save Sticker. Now obviously the coolest part about this is when you're texting with your friends, you can just open up your emojis, and then here under this gallery icon, you will find all your saved stickers. So all you gotta do is just pretty much just select the sticker you wanna send and hit send. And there you go, you have your own personalized sticker. This feature allows you to create personalized stickers from your own photos. It's a fun, creative way to express yourself in your messages. Now I bet this next feature is something you've really wanted for quite some time. You probably didn't even know that it existed on your own Samsung device. You don't even have to download an external app for this. And that is being able to see deleted WhatsApp messages.
That's a thing?
Yes, you can. You didn't know, but you will see now. To be able to do this, all you're gonna wanna do is scroll down to your settings, and then you're going to search for notification history. And you're going to want to turn this feature on. Now, after turning this feature on, whenever you get a WhatsApp message and it says it's been deleted, just come back to this place right here, check here, and you will be able to read that deleted WhatsApp message. Hey, if you get into trouble, do not point fingers at me, okay? I'm just the messenger. Now, staying on the topic of text messages and WhatsApp, this is also a feature I think a lot of businesses might need, and I've even used it myself in the past. What you can do is pretty much split your WhatsApp messages into 2. So basically what I mean is that you can have 2 separate accounts running on the same phone. Now look, don't use that for any other funny business, okay? I'm speaking about business purposes only, okay? Only business. For this feature, you're also gonna wanna head to your settings and then search up Dual Messenger. Then it's gonna pop up with Dual Messenger at the bottom, as you can see right there. And it's gonna pop up with a bunch of different options where you can use WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, and Messenger. So I'm going to pick WhatsApp for this experiment. Then it's gonna ask you pretty much to just install a copy of WhatsApp. So this is gonna install a double app on your phone so that you have 2 separate apps for WhatsApp. As you can see, the WhatsApp will pop up with these little circles on it. That is to notify you that it is the second WhatsApp, and here you can set it up with your language, number, and so forth. Now, what about screenshots? We all know the simple way of just pushing the 3 little buttons or 2 buttons, and then obviously, kaboom, it takes a screenshot. But what if I told you there was a simpler way to do it? If you've come this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button and enjoy the rest of the video, as there are tons of new tips that you might learn. And also let me know in the comments, which one of those 5 tips that I just mentioned do you like the most? For this feature, it's pretty much a simple action. All you're gonna do is take your palm and swipe. Okay. Just so much simpler in my honest opinion. This next feature is for my iPhone users. If you're coming from an iPhone, you're probably very familiar with the swipe up gesture. So it's not exactly like the Samsung devices where there's a back button, a home screen button, all separate buttons on the screen. No, it's very different. It's the swipe gesture. You swipe up, you hold, and you swipe away. All that funky jazz, which, to be quite honest with you, I think it's just a little odd. I like the Samsung way more. But if you find that you prefer the way iPhone did it, Samsung's actually built in a way that you don't have to struggle and you can just revert back to your iPhone ways. Scumbag. I don't know if I should say that.
I will find you, and I will kill you.
So all you're gonna have to do to change these three little buttons here is you're gonna have to head over to your settings, and then you're gonna search for navigation bar. And in here, you will find navigation bar, and this will give you the option to choose between buttons and swipe gestures. So if that's just the way you prefer things, then Samsung has got you covered. Now with this next feature, there's probably a lot of people that are familiar with it, and I'm pretty much sure you will be familiar with it, and that is being able to adjust your flash brightness. Now this is something I've really only seen on Samsung devices. It's really cool that they added this in, because a lot of people may think, oh, my phone's brightness is just so bad, why is it so poor? Not knowing that there is a setting that you can adjust it with. So to adjust your brightness, all you're gonna do is slide down to your toolbar and hold down on the torch icon. Here you will open up your torch, so obviously you're gonna do is turn it on, and here you will find a slider. Now let's talk a little bit more private. So what I'm talking about here is being able to use a secure folder to hide all your certain files or documents, mostly just for pictures, to be quite honest. It basically allows you to have a locked folder that you can't really see into, and you can only access through a password that you yourself has set and known. It's literally like having a secure vault on your Samsung Galaxy device. So to secure some of your files so that no one can find them and they're locked behind a password, all you're gonna do is just, for example, just take some of these images over here and you're gonna select more. All you're gonna wanna do is select move to secure folder, and now it will be creating a secure folder where all your images will be locked away. And then you're going to create either a PIN, password, or pattern, and inside here it will have everything you need locked away. So once you set up your secure folder and put a lock on it, you're gonna open it up and you're gonna be able to put your password in. But hey, don't look at my password. Now, if you're like me, you're probably a quick access type of person. You like to access things with minimal effort. This is where your power button can come in handy. So to change the actions of your side button when you double press, all you're gonna do is hold down the side button, and then this bar will pop up at the bottom saying side button setting. And in here, it's going to give you the option to change to whatever you want. I have it to my torch because I just love the quick ability to just double press and then switch to my torch. You can also use this for Samsung Wallet quick access and your camera launch. So if I ever get into a dark situation, all I need to do is hit my quick access button. Now onto my all-time favorite feature on the Samsung Galaxy device has to be the animated notifications. If you're tired of those boring old notifications, then this is for you. So with my favorite feature of all time, what you're going to need to do is head over to your settings once again, and then you're gonna look for animated notification. Then you're going to scroll down to find notifications. Then you're gonna select notification pop-up style and change it from detailed to brief. Now here you will have edge lighting styles, and when you select on that, you can change the animation at which your notifications pop up. Then obviously you can adjust the color of this effect, but I like the auto, which pretty much just adjusts to the application color. And in this way you're getting some very, very cool notifications so that it just doesn't have to feel so boring anymore. Now that you've learned about these amazing Samsung Galaxy features, which one are you most excited to try out? Let me know down in the comments below. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.